Businesses that fear change and don't manage it properly stagnate and die. But when embarking on change, especially significant, complex change, it can be quite hard to know where to start. That's where Target State comes in. I want to run you through a typical case study demonstrating how we work with businesses to navigate change with confidence and deliver financial value. This is a $25 million a year manufacturing company with just over 100 staff. They had recently been through an acquisition, and a new vision from the board called for a 20% reduction in operational overhead and a shift in the value proposition of their products and services. The implementation of this new vision required a significant overhaul of the business's operational workflow and technology, phasing out customer services and streamlining their offering to speed up delivery. With so many moving parts, this is when they reached out to us. From their perspective, our process was simple. We identified the current state of their business and the target state, and then we put in place and managed a comprehensive plan to get there. From our perspective, it was underpinned by deep analysis and highly detailed project planning. To begin with, our team worked with subject matter experts in their business to perform sophisticated market analysis. This let us understand with extreme precision the scope, determining factors, budgets, potential roadblocks, and ways to measure success. This information and recommendations were all completely transparent to the client, with our dashboard giving them absolute visibility. From this analysis, an actionable plan was established and signed off, which included several initiatives. These were put in a priority order based on viability, projected return on investment, and how important they were to the business. The top of the list was selected as the focus for the first phase of change. Developing a plan is one thing, but actually executing it is another thing entirely. Target State isn't a consulting company that just makes recommendations and then moves on to the next client. We are as involved in the management and execution of the change as our clients want us to be. In this example, we oversaw the entire process, including working directly with equipment vendors to source and install the new equipment required to meet the output goals set by the board, identifying and advising on the recruitment of new skill sets required to operate the new machinery, managing external software suppliers to integrate into our client's workflow, and implementing new operational processes to bring it all together, driving efficiency gains at every turn and ensuring financial goals are being met. At Target State, we are mindful of the impact that these changes have on the people actually working in the business. So with this in mind, we focused heavily on ensuring that they were equipped to handle this change. This included awareness campaigns, facilitating training, and consulting directly with managers and frontline staff. Throughout this whole change effort, we had weekly check-in points with the client, ensuring that they were informed and given the opportunity to sign off at every stage. Once the change was finalised, a detailed report was delivered to the board, clearly articulating the results, the goals met and exceeded, and recommendations moving forward. The board was so happy with these results that we've since been brought on to help drive continual improvement in other areas of the business, like their HR and client management systems. These initiatives are placed into a portfolio that we now manage for the client. This is just one example, but we work to transform businesses across a huge range of industries. With every project, we aim for exceptional results delivered in a realistic timeframe. So talk to Target State and find out how we can deliver real, tangible value through business transformation.